Come in, right, I'm just going to give you a room tour. This is the Bayview Hotel in Bute. So this is the bathroom. Standard bathroom, a bit bigger than a lot of hotel rooms, you see. And we have a dresser with a little mirror. And then there's a huge bed here. That wallpaper reminds me of the Viking at Blackpool. Got the same wallpaper in there. But look at this view out here. How about this for a view, eh, peoples? And then we'll go into the next part of the room. Little dining table and chairs. Got two nice recliners. And then television. And then we've got a little coffee maker. And then we've got another door here. I wonder where this goes. Ooh, back into the passage. We've got two doors to our room. When we went to reception, she was saying that it used to be two houses and it's been made into one hotel. But this is a lovely room. It's classed as a suite. David's going to try out the chair. Let's see what you think of it. How about that, David? How comfortable is that? Huh?
No problem, this.
Is that nice, is it?
Do grand.
Well, I think this is the best view we've had for a long time, staying in a hotel. Of course, we had a nice view at Disney, but this is completely different. Look at that. And we'll be going right around the island tomorrow. All day to explore. Should be good. But what hasn't David forgot to bring? Tell our audience what you've forgotten.
Suntan lotion.
No. No.
My coat.
He's forgotten a coat, so he's going to get wet when we go for a walk later.
Be fine.
There we go, and that's the other part of the room. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Just try and sneak through without the rain on the windows. Grand as anything, this. So that's the room tour. So it's called the Bayview Hotel, if anybody's interested. We're looking forward to our stay. I know the weather isn't perfect, but you make the most of it. So there we go. We'll catch you later when I start taking pics and things of the island. See you later.